Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today we're up at Gander RV in Forest Lake, Minnesota, and we're going to be checking out this 2021 Mallard M26. It's a really cool family bunkhouse floor plan. We'll do a walk around to the outside and then we'll take a tour of the inside too. Up front, power LCI tongue jack, room for 2 propane tanks and 2 batteries. You'll notice this is a aluminum framed fiberglass siding. It does have Asdel. Up front, huge pass-through storage. Plenty wide, plenty tall, a lot of room up front. Really large awning, and you have your step above, aluminum steps. And these ride on 15-inch aluminum wheels with Westlake tires. Really nice outdoor kitchen in this. It has kind of everything. You got a sink, you got a pull-out stove top, and you have a mini fridge. And then obviously some power outlet, cable connection for a TV too. Out back, full side spare, and it is pre-wired for a backup camera. These do have power stabilizer jacks. And there's your black and gray outlet. 30 amp power cord, city water connection, cable hookups. Decent size slide out in this one, and it is a cable driven system. These graphics are new for 2022 on the Mallard series. I kind of like them. Reminds me of almost an Art Deco design, kind of like little wings coming out. And I'm a big fan of these Heartlands. We actually own a Heartland Mallard M185. It's been a very reliable, I think, well-built camper. Here's the other side of that pass-through storage. All right, now let's go look at the inside. So the layout will be bedroom in front, kind of a mid-living area, kitchen, and then bunks in the back. Start in the back and work our way front here. Bunks here, they're full size. They do have their own privacy curtains. They each have their own light, but they don't have their own USB or 110 outlets. That would be really nice to have. Below the bunk, there is access for a small storage space. Your outdoor kitchen is what's taking up a lot of that room underneath that bunk. Probably a decent trade-off. A fancy door here. Another little shortcut though, it's not a fully framed in door. I don't like when they don't finish off the door like that. Decent size bathroom. Not a whole lot of counter space around the sink. Little medicine cabinet above here, and then kind of your standard size tub, shower, 2-piece, and then your toilet here. Plastic toilet, not porcelain. So kind of another shortcut. All right. Got your dinette that obviously folds down into a bed. Table is free floating. I do like that they have access for storage off to the front here. It's always a nice thing. Carpetless slide out, that's good. And then here is your sofa that also folds out into another bed. Kitchen offers a single basin stainless steel sink with a lot of countertop space. Little cubby and some drawers, outlets, 3-burner Greystone stovetop and oven, Greystone microwave, more cabinets, and this is a 8 cubic foot gas electric fridge freezer combo. Off to the side there you have a pantry. It's kind of nice. These shelves are removable. You could use this for hanging clothes. A dual purpose storage area. Electronic thermostat controls. Your breaker box below that. And in front of the kitchen there, that's obviously your entertainment center where you'd mount the TV and a decent size fireplace. There's your audio controls. IRV Technologies. All right, moving into the bedroom here. It's a little tight in the bedroom here. There's no room to walk around the bed on either side, and that's probably due to that very large front storage area. You know, you have down here, you do have some USBs and 110. Room for hanging on each side. And good size cabinet above that with some storage cubbies. And then you have dual sliding doors, and I don't see anything that says it's prepped for a TV backer. Traditionally, you might have something here or on that wall, but perhaps you don't in this model. I'd have to check with the salesman and see. Kind of a handy little shoe storage cubby underneath the front bed. I like that. And this is looking like a king size bed. Another reason why there's not a lot of room to maneuver in that bedroom. Otherwise, that is the Mallard M26. Once again, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.